Hey everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 and 11 using RAMMap. Open the Task Manager and check the RAM cache. Go to the official Microsoft website and download RAMMap. After downloading the extract RAMMap folder, open RAMMap application, click Agree. Click on Empty in the menu. Select Empty Standby List to free up RAM instantly. Very simple steps for clearing your PC RAM cache for faster performance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.